Hey guys, so smooth scrolling is ready to go. To give you an example, we have smooth scrolling turned on, and I think I'm size extra large font size. So when you click on a song, it brings up the first page. Now, this is my mini pedal, left, middle, and right, back, select, next. Now, if I select the select button, press the select button, which is the middle pedal, it'll start scrolling. Now, if it's too slow, I can press the right pedal while it's scrolling to speed it up. And you only want to press about every half second or so. You can see now it's a lot faster. And if I want to slow it down, I press the left pedal and it slows down. It's an asymptotic increase decrease. So the closer you get to the fastest speed, the smaller the changes. And as you get slower, it's bigger changes. So it'll make quicker changes on the slow side than the fast side. And now when you stop it, it'll either stop automatically at the end of the song or you can press the middle pedal. When it's stopped, either at the end of the song or on the pressing the middle pedal, now your pedals are different. So if I press the left-hand pedal, it'll take me back to the set list. I'm going to go back in, and if I press the right one, it'll take me to the next song. So this song is definitely not set up for scrolling. Let's go to the next song. There we go. And then press the middle pedal and it starts. Now, one thing to remember, as you play with the speed and get it just right, you have to finish the song. We only store the speed at the end of the song when it stops on its own. That's when the smooth scrolling software tells our Black Box Rock software what the final speed is. And that's what we store. And we store that speed per song. So all your songs can have different speeds, and the system will remember those speeds. So you set up your speeds in practice, and then when your performance, you're all set to go. And one thing, let me show you one more thing. So I don't have a keyboard hooked up, so I can't type in 0 real quick, but I'm going to take you to settings. So in settings, you'll see this smooth scrolling, number 8, and you see that it's on. It has the instructions here, how to use the pedal while you're scrolling. And you can turn scrolling on and off here. It is persistent. Once you turn on, it stays on, even during reboots, until you turn it off. Have a good day, guys.